Hi everyone, today I am going to prepare dates jam. For this I have taken 200 grams of dates. You can use that soft Iranian dates for preparing this jam. As I need the chunky bites of dates, I am using the ordinary dates. Now pour 500 ml of water, 500 to 600 ml of water and cook until it becomes soft. This add 2-inch size cinnamon stick, a small piece of nutmeg. Cook until soft. Now mash it with a ladle in between. Remove the cinnamon stick and remnants of nutmeg after it gets cooked. Forgot to take the video. Now it has become soft. Add 150 grams of powdered brown sugar. For healthy reasons I have used brown sugar. You can use the normal white sugar also. Now cook for some time, and when sugar melts and when you can see bubbles forming, add quarter teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. I am using apple cider vinegar as a healthy option. This acts as a preservative. You can even add lime juice instead of apple cider vinegar. If you are adding lime juice, switch off the flame at this stage when the bubble gets formed, and after it cools completely, add the lime juice. If you are using apple cider vinegar, you need not switch off the flame. You can use lime juice of half lime. As we are adding apple cider vinegar, continue stirring. When it thickens and when you see glossy appearance, check it using a ladle. When you take the jam and allow it to drip, if it doesn't drip from the ladle, the consistency is correct. You can see the glossy texture. Take it in a ladle and allow it to drip. It won't drip. This is the right consistency. Now switch off the flame. Now it's done. After cooling, take it in a bottle and store it in a refrigerator.